Okay, in this video we're going to cover how to add options to products. The main reason we do this is because it's easier to add product options than it is to add multiple products. For example, if you have one product that has various colors or sizes or weights, instead of adding an individual product for each color or size or weight, you can simply add one product and then add the various options, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. You go to the catalog menu and select options, and we're going to create a new option, and we're going to call it size or weight, and we're going to add three options. So we're going to add 0.5 of a kilogram, 1 kilogram, and 2 kilograms. What I'm also going to do is in the ordering options box put 10, 20 and 30 instead of 1, 2, 3. And the reason I do this is because if at a later stage I want to add 1.5 kilograms, I could simply add it here and put 1.5 kilograms and make the option 25 to place it into the middle. So it would go between 1 kilogram and 2 kilogram, and that would keep it in the same order on the website as well. So we're going to save and close that. Then we're going to go to a product and we're going to add the options to that product. So you'll see we have the general tab, the data tab, inventory, and I'm just going to take a quick look at this. We have the price set at $1.99 and the weight at half a kilogram. We're going to go to the options tab and click that and add three different weights. So we have the standard weight at half a kilogram, then we have 1 and then 2 kilogram. You do have to have an individual SKU or product code for each individual variant or option of the product, and you also have to add a quantity. So for the first one we're not going to change the price. For the second one we're going to increase the price by €2, and for the third one we're going to increase the price by €3. We're also going to increase the weight. So we've got three options, all with different prices, product codes and weights. Go to save and close. Let's just go to the shop now, and you'll see we've got the shop open at this product, and I'm just going to refresh that page. And now if we click on the product, you can see that we've got some different options available. So if I just click the standard option at half a kilogram, nothing changes. The product code changes, of course, because we have to have an individual product code for each product. If I select 1 kilogram, the price dynamically changes, so does the product code and the weight, and then 2 kilogram. And I think you'll agree that's far easier than adding three different products. It makes life a lot easier. It makes life easier for the users as well, which is nice.